This is Gwen, and today I will be making Gwen's wafer bites. So, as you may see, I am in my grandma's house, just downstairs. So, yeah, and I apologize for background noises. It's around lunchtime, so I will be having lunch soon. So, what you need for Gwen's wafer bites is some graham crackers. I am using Honey Maid. And some chocolate chips. I am using dark chocolate, but you can use any type of chocolate. You need a Ziploc bag, and yeah, and then you'll crush the graham crackers with the spoon. So I will be back in a moment while I am crushing graham crackers. I'm just gonna keep crushing them, and you can also use a rolling pin. But since this is all here, I'm just going to crush it up. So yeah, that is what you do. So I am back, and I have crushed up my graham cracker cup. So now I'm just going to go put them in the microwave. So I'm just gonna put it up.
30 seconds.
Okay, so as you can hear, my Nana is helping me in the background. She is my filmer. So how many was it again, Nana?
30.
30. And then you're gonna start, and you're gonna wait. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there.
They need to be
Very carefully and only do a little at a time. So I'm going to watch. I'm gonna do it again. See how they're doing. Yeah, see? They're only melted a tiny bit on the side.
Mm-hmm.
So Nana, how many should I do? How many more? I just set it for 15 seconds.